Hi everyone, welcome back to Dassin Kitchen. Today we are whipping up something truly special, spinach borani. It's comforting, packed with flavor and perfect for any occasion. Ready? Let's dive in. Start by heating 4 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Once it's hot, add 1 sliced onion and saute until it's soft and golden. Now let's add 1 cup of boiled chickpeas and half cup of roughly chopped walnuts. These ingredients bring texture and a nutty flavor that's absolutely irresistible. Time to season it up. Add 2 teaspoons of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Give everything a good stir and let the spices work their magic. Here comes the star of the dish, spinach. We are using 1 pound of fresh spinach. Peel the leaves in half with your hands and add them to the pan. It's that simple. Close the lid and let it cook for about 5 minutes, just until the spinach wilts and all the flavors come together. And there you have it, spinach borani, ready to serve. It's rich, delicious, and perfect for a cozy night in or even as a show-stopping appetizer at your next dinner party. Give it a try and let me know how yours turns out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Dassin Kitchen.